Isama po natin sa ating mga panalangin ang sumusunod na intensyon. Thanks Vicky, Vicky Dagami, Debbie Andaya Acero Santos, Benji and Chad Buera and family, Lamar family, Ryan and Lovely Bautista, Ruel, Vilma, Panergalin and family, Marie, Alex, Inyon and family, Sherry Lanusa and family, Erika May Encarnacion and family, Cornelia Rivera and family, Lutasio Ellen Igado and family, Mariel Mercurio Estelita Tapia, Victoria Mirano and family, Ronnie and Reyna Estival and family, Gary and Annabel Sornosa and family, Junie Alice Sapibiñas and family, Emmy and Yoli Mirabel and family, Nicanor and Perlet Trahinal and family, Alex Badet Cudera and family, Philip Belinda Arnuco and family, Escuelas family, Luisa Espirido and family, Nida Vito and family, Mercy M.M. Korea and family, Amon and Laarni Trahinal and family, Ernie and Tessie Trahinal and family, Seth Escuelas, Batch 77 ng Santa Catalina Barangay High School.